Hey there, folks. Bullish Bob here, and today we've got an absolute gem of an episode lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of day trading and the incredible value of stock screeners. But before we get started, do me a quick favor, smash that subscribe button below and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our trading insights and strategies. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's jump right into it. Have you ever wondered how some traders seem to spot those winning trades effortlessly while you're left scratching your head? Well, my friends, the secret lies in the power of stock screeners. Stock screeners like the one we have right here are the unsung heroes of day trading. They are your ticket to finding those hidden gems in the market before the opening bell rings. With a few clicks, you can set specific criteria such as price, volume, volatility, and even technical indicators. These tools help you identify potential trades that match your trading strategy. So if you're ready to take your day trading game to the next level, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to harness the power of stock screeners like a pro. All right, team, let's dive right in. But remember, the stock market is full of risk, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now let's make some smart, calculated moves together. What you're looking at now is my Trade Ideas Pro pre-market layout. On the left-hand corner, we can see this is a momentum high of day scanner. A momentum high of day scanner is a tool or feature commonly used by day traders to identify stocks that are exhibiting strong momentum and have reached their highest price point of the trading session, referred to as the high of day or HOD scanner. This scanner helps traders find stocks that are making significant upward moves and may be ripe for potential trading opportunities. Key characteristics of momentum high of day scanners typically include real-time data. It provides real-time data on various stocks, including their current prices, volume, and other relevant trading metrics. High of day alerts. It alerts traders when a stock reaches its high of the trading session. This is a crucial point as it signifies potential strength in the stock's price movement. Volume surge. It may also include volume filters, indicating that there's a surge in trading volume when a stock reaches its high of day. High volume often accompanies strong price moves. Customizable criteria. Traders can often customize the scanner by setting specific criteria for the price thresholds, volume levels, and other technical indicators. Visual representation. It may offer visual representation through charts and graphs, making it easier for traders to assess the momentum and price action. Alerts. Some scanners can send alerts via email, SMS, or on trading platforms to ensure traders don't miss out on potential opportunities. By using a momentum high of day scanner, day traders can quickly identify stocks that are in play, helping them focus on stocks with strong upward momentum, potential breakout opportunities, or stocks that are making significant price moves. It's an essential tool for those who engage in intraday trading and rely on identifying short-term price trends. Next to the high of day scanner, we have the Bullish Momentum Watch. Bullish Momentum is a scanner that I designed myself that's customized to find bullish momentum and bullish volume in the market fast. It's designed to eliminate the BS alerts and focus on high quality setups only. Whenever I'm looking for something with high volume, this is where I'll be looking in the pre-market session. Next up, we have the Bullish Bob Volume Hunter. This is a 1-minute volume scan that's always searching for stocks real time. It's going to give us information like the symbol, the price, the float, and the volume for the last 1 minute. What we're looking for is unusual volume in a 1-minute time frame. If we see that unusual volume, it will show up on the scanner. Have you ever built a stock screener that doesn't pick up a stock that's moving fast and you're frustrated? Well, this scanner here is designed to eliminate that. If the float is not listed on Trade Ideas, it will still hit this scanner as long as other parameters have been met. Oftentimes, newer IPOs won't have that float listed. This is a great way to catch those moves and not miss out on trading opportunities. In the center, we have our Continuation Watch scanner. A continuation scanner for day traders is a tool or feature that helps identify stocks or assets that are exhibiting a strong trend continuation pattern. In day trading, traders often look for stocks that are likely to continue their existing price trends, whether it be an uptrend or a downtrend. This screener is looking for stocks in an uptrend. Key characteristics and criteria of a continuation screener typically include trend identification. It identifies stocks that are currently in an established trend, such as an uptrend or downtrend. This is usually based on technical indicators like moving averages or trend lines. Volume confirmation. It may include volume filters to confirm that the trend continuation is supported by significant trading volume. High volume often indicates stronger conviction in the trend. Pattern recognition. Some screeners incorporate pattern recognition, looking for chart patterns like flags, pennants, triangles, or consolidation patterns that may indicate potential continuation. Customizable parameters. Traders can often customize the screener by setting parameters like the duration of the trend they are interested in, specific technical indicators, and other criteria. What's great about these screeners from Trade Ideas is they offer real-time alerts when a stock meets the specified criteria for trend continuation, allowing traders to act promptly. This is a customized screener built through Trade Ideas Pro. This is a new scanner that I have in my pre-market layout listed as the Momo Spotter. This is looking for momentum. Very similar to our other momentum scans, except this will only give a single alert. What's great about this scanner here is when we have multiple alerts at the same time, this one will notify me which one is higher priority. Down at the bottom left, we've got the high of day low volume scanner. That's exactly what you're thinking. Stocks making new highs with low volume. This volume spotter scan will spot volume that's not exactly bullish momentum. So if we're looking for bullish momentum, that would be the scan above. Next, we have our cheapo watch. This is going to be any stock that's under $1. Most would call these penny stocks. For myself, I don't often trade stocks under $1. I really like to see them get to that dollar point, but this will give me a heads up in case we start to approach that major level. This major red flag watch is designed to give me a heads up whenever a red flag is spotted. If I spot those red flags ahead of time, then maybe I can adjust my approach and save myself from major losses. In the top right, you'll see my gap up scanner. This is designed to find stocks that are gapping up in the pre-market session. This will give me a good idea of what stocks to watch when the market opens. Below this, we have the larger float high of day or HOD. This screener has a larger float parameter built into it, so it's looking for stocks with a larger float. Below this, we have a version of our bullish momentum watch listed as the Bullish Momentum Watch Large Float. That large float parameter is built into the scanner, so it's eliminating some of the results from our other Bullish Momentum Watch. Building two of the same scanner and changing some of the filters is a great way to never miss a beat in the market. By doing this, we're basically grading our scans. Our first one is our best setup. Our second is maybe not our best setup, but something we may not want to miss in the fast-moving market. Day trading screeners are beloved by day traders for their ability to enhance efficiency, focus, and objectivity in the trading process. They play a pivotal role in helping others make informed decisions and navigate the dynamic world of day trading more effectively. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn, and be sure to share this video with your fellow traders. Let's spread the knowledge and make this community even stronger. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and profitable strategies right here with Bullish Bob.